Welcome back to Van Crochet channel. Today we're making this super cute pinecone. You can use as a back charm, decoration, or simply use as a Christmas ornament. To make this project, I'm gonna use 100% milk cotton yarn in green. This is a 5-ply yarn. We also need some scissors, a tapestry needle, a stitch marker, or you can replace by a paper clip. I'm gonna use the 2.5mm crochet hook. We also need some fiber fill for the stuffing of the work, or you can use some leftover yarn like this. We're gonna start with the magic ring. Grab the yarn and place the yarn on your hand like this. Lift the short tail. Wrap the yarn around your finger to form an X. Holding the ring with your right hand and remove the left hand. Insert the hook into the ring and pull up. So we just did the magic ring. We're gonna chain 1, yarn over. We're gonna 6 single crochet into the ring. To make single crochet, insert the hook into the ring, pull up, yarn over, pull through. 5 more. Insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Then we're gonna pull the tail to close up the ring. From here, we're gonna slip stitch into the first V. Insert the hook under the first V, yarn over, pull up, pull through. For this pattern, from round 2, we're gonna work in the back loop of the V. This is the front loop of the V, and this is the back loop at the back. We're gonna insert the hook into the back loop. So we're gonna insert the hook into the back loop like this, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Then 1 more into the same loop, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. With the stitch marker, we're gonna mark the first V with this. We're gonna repeat the pattern to make 2 single crochet into the coming 5 V. Insert the hook into the back loop, pull up, yarn over, pull through. 1 more. Insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. 2 single crochet into the coming V, into the back loop, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. So I just complete 6 in green. In green just means we're doing 2 single crochet into the same stitch. The end of round 2 we should have 12 stitches. Then we're gonna remove the stitch marker. To begin the round 3, we're gonna insert the hook into the back loop of the first V. The V we just remove the stitch marker. Then yarn over to do the single crochet, yarn over, pull through. The pattern for round 3 will be single crochet, 1 in green. So we just did the first single crochet. We're gonna mark the first V we just did. The pattern for round 3 will be single crochet, and 1 in green. We just did the first single crochet. We're gonna single crochet into the back loop of the second V. Insert the hook into the back loop, and 1 in green. Insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. Repeating this 1, 1, 2 until the end of the round. So I just did 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet into the last V. Repeating this until the end of the round. So I just complete the last group of the 112. Now we're gonna remove the stitch marker. The end of round 3, we should have 16 stitches. To begin the round 4, we're gonna single crochet into the back loop of the first stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Then we're gonna mark the first stitch. The pattern for round 4 will be in green in every 3 stitches. So we just did the first single crochet into the coming stitch, then 2 single crochet into the coming stitch. We just complete the first group. We're gonna repeat the pattern 1 1 2. Repeating the pattern 1 1 2 and join me back at the end of the round. So I just complete 5 times of the 1 single crochet and an increase. We still have 1 stitch left. We're gonna single crochet into the last stitch. The end of round 4, we should have 21 stitches. We're gonna remove the marker and single crochet into the V. We just remove the marker to begin the next round. Then we're gonna mark the first V. The pattern for round 5, we have no increase. We're gonna single crochet into the 21 stitch. We just did the first one. We still have 20 stitches left. I just complete 21 single crochet. The end of round 5, we still have 21 stitches. We're gonna turn the work like this. We're still working on the back loop. Then we're gonna remove the marker. The pattern for round 6, we're gonna 4 single crochet and 1 increase. Insert the hook into the back loop of the first V. We're gonna mark the first stitch, then 3 more single crochet. After the first 4 single crochet, we're gonna make 1 increase in the coming stitch. Repeating the pattern for 3 more times, 4 single crochet and 1 increase. After complete the 4 group of the 4 single crochet and 1 increase, we still have 1 stitch left. I'm gonna single crochet into the last stitch. The end of round 6, we should have 25 stitches. The pattern for round 7 and round 8, we're gonna make 25 single crochet with no increase. So we're gonna mark the first stitch, repeating single crochet into the remaining stitch. Same for the round 8. I just complete the 25 single crochet for round 8. We're gonna remove the marker and single crochet into the first stitch. Place the marker back the first stitch. The pattern for round 9, we start doing the degree. We just did the first single crochet. We're gonna do the second single crochet, the third single crochet. Then we're gonna do a degree. Degree just means we're gonna combine the 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up. Then we're gonna insert the hook into the coming stitch, pull up. From here we're gonna yarn over, pull through. So now the 2 stitches have been combined to 1 stitch. Repeating the pattern for 3 single crochet and 1 degree. We're gonna single crochet into each of the coming 3 stitches. And 1 degree. Insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up. Insert the hook into the coming stitch, pull up, 3 loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through. So repeating this for 3 more times and join me back. I just complete the last degree for round 9. We're gonna remove the marker, single crochet into the first stitch to begin the round 10. Place the marker back to the first stitch. The end of round 9 we should have 20 stitches, and for round 10 with no degree we're gonna make 20 single crochet, repeating the single crochet into the remaining 19 stitches. I just complete the 20 single crochet of the round 10. Single crochet to begin the round 11. The pattern for round 11 will be 2 single crochet and 1 degree, second single crochet and 1 degree. Repeating the pattern 2 single crochet 1 degree for 4 more times. The end of round 11 we should have 15 stitches. Before the hole getting smaller, we're gonna do the stuffing. We're gonna remove the marker before we single crochet into the first stitch. The pattern for round 12 until the end of the base of the pinecone, we're gonna 2 single crochet and 1 degree for 9 times. Single crochet into the first stitch and second single crochet and 1 degree. So now I'm just complete the pattern for the base of the pinecone. We're gonna make the cone scale. So we're gonna slip it into the third V from the hook. This is the 1, 2, 3, and this is the third V. From now we only work in the front loop, and those are the front loop of the base. So make sure the yarn is on the right of the hook like this, and then we're gonna insert the hook into the third V, yarn over, pull up, pull through. We're gonna chain 2. We're gonna make an incomplete double crochet, yarn over 1, insert the hook into the same loop, pull up. We have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then we're gonna yarn over to make another double crochet into the coming stitch. Insert the hook into the loop of the coming stitch, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. Then we're gonna chain 2, slip it into the same stitch, insert the hook, pull up, pull through. We just complete the first group of the pattern. We're gonna repeating this for 5 more times. We're gonna slip it into the coming stitch, insert the hook into the front loop of the coming stitch, yarn over, pull up, pull through. Then chain 2, double crochet into the same stitch, yarn over 1, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, double crochet into the coming stitch, three loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through, then chain 2 and slip it into the same stitch. We're gonna slip it into the coming stitch to create another group of the pattern. So we just complete 3 groups of the pattern, repeating this for 3 more times and join me back. I just complete the 6th group of the pattern. We're gonna skip 1 stitch and slip it into the 2nd stitch. Insert the hook into the front loop. Then chain 2 and double crochet into the same stitch. Then double crochet into the coming stitch. 3 loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through, chain 2, slip it into the same stitch. We're gonna repeating this until the last round of the base. Then we're gonna skip 1 stitch and slip it into the 2nd stitch. Repeating the pattern until the end of the round, skip 1 stitch and create another group. After complete, skip 1 stitch and create another group until you get to the last round. I just complete the last corn scale. I'm gonna turn the work like this and skip 1 loop, and I'm gonna slip it into the coming loop. Insert the hook into the 2nd loop, pull up, pull through. Then chain 28. After chaining 28, we're gonna slip it into the same loop, pull up, pull through. Then fasten off, chain 1. We're gonna trim off the yarn, dip the short tail so we can weave in the work. With the tapestry needle, we're gonna hide the yarn. Then trim off. And now our pinecone is complete, and that's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if you have any question in the comment below.